What's up, Gemini, kings, queens, and everything in between? I am Austria of Unbothered Queen, and today I will be channeling the collective of Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Mercury in regards to love. For those, for the 10th through the 19th. And right now I'm getting past, present, and future energy here. So far we have true love. This could be the one, and children in the reverse here. So we have true love here. So it says this is the romance of a lifetime. So in your past, you could have found your true love. It looks like you're still dealing with the same person though, because it says this could be the one. You've already met the romantic partner that you seek. So it's possible that you're still currently in this relationship with the person that you're very much so interested in. It looks like though in the future though, it says children. Your love life is being affected by children. In the reverse here, I'm getting the sense that in the future or in the near future, you're going to be dealing with either one or two things is what's coming to me. It's either some childhood trauma that you haven't unloaded and or unpacked and figured out like the best course of action, how to deal with that shit. I am going to be doing a shadow reading for you guys the third week of May, so definitely look out for that. But some shadow shit that you haven't unloaded, or it's possible that you're simply, you know, you guys aren't on the same page in regards to having children. All right, and we have free yourself here. It's time to take back control of your life. All right, in this free yourself space, I'm getting a sense of being open and honest here, being able to be open and honest about how you feel about things. But it's not necessarily with this person. It may be with other people in your life, your like different aspects of your family here for most of you. For some of you, it is with this person. You're holding back something from this person, possibly being open and honest about the way that you feel about them is what I'm hearing. All right, we have abundance here. We have I am a limitless being and I can manifest whatever I desire in this physical reality. Okay. Oh, okay. We have peace here. I am a being of love and release all negative energy. I'm feeling like the sense of like someone that is definitely very big on peace here and on pride. I love myself and I see myself in everyone. So yeah, you're a bit prideful here. No judgment, you know. And then we have acceptance. I'm learning to accept the things that I cannot change. For a lot of you guys, this is why you're not being open and honest about how you feel with this person, because of your pride and because you feel like you're doing it in stages almost. It's like I'm getting a sense of someone that feels like they're kind of being more open, you know, kind of being a little bit more open to this person. But I'm here to tell you, Gemini, no, baby. No. Just be completely like transparent. Let them know how you feel. All right, let's get the situation here. That's what's going on. Look what's going on. All right, we have Aries energy with the Tower here. It was an abrupt change. I feel like it's an abrupt change in your feelings for this person. It looks like something came to an end, a certain cycle, or it possibly a relationship with someone else, or I'm also getting like a fulfillment, like understanding what this person was to you. Like it may have been like a spiritual epiphany type of energy here. You know, of you understanding how much you cared about this person here. All right. Oh my goodness, this is the card that just tried to pop out, y'all. And whatever, we're not gonna play. And I just saw 444. Look at those angel numbers, y'all. So we got Fortune's Wheel here. This shit is faded, but you are finding it very challenging to bring a new beginning here. Yeah, with the, especially with the Fool card here, Aries, Aquarius energy here. It could quite possibly be with an Aquarius or an Aries that you're trying to have a new beginning with. I'm getting a sense of not wanting to take the risk there. You're enjoying your peace and you don't want to fucking shit, you don't want to fucking rock the boat, which I understand, Gemini. I fucking understand. Look, I overstand, okay? All right. We have Temptation here. Which is Capricorn's energy here. I'm definitely, this is the Devil card. I'm definitely getting like you're going to feel liberated in the near future. You're going to tell this person exactly how you feel. This shit is going to be big. Also, I'm getting that sense that a lot of you guys, yeah, see, with the Star card at the back, you're definitely going to be open with this person and tell them exactly how you feel, how optimistic you are about their love, or about the relationship, you wanting to renew something with this person. For those of you that could have possibly broken up with this person in the past here. I'm also getting, did I say sex? Because listen, the sex is like steady coming through. There's a lot of that here. Look, a lot of that here. All right, 5 of Air here. Okay, so it looks like you were looking out for yourself here in the past, or even right now. You could be looking out for yourself, being in a me space, because it's your peace. This is something that you worked hard for with the 5 of Air here, and that's why you're having this spiritual epiphany to understand what this person means to you, so that you can incorporate them into your life and move forward together instead of by yourself. Definitely getting a space that with the Knight of Fire here, which is the Knight of Wands, that you could have possibly been like on some player ass shit. You know what I'm saying? You wasn't really focused on a relationship or love. You were more so focused on, you know, kind of having your cake and eating it too, you know, singing that dang-a-lang or popping that pussy, you know, however, you know, whichever one is for you. That's what you was doing, living your best fucking life, as you should, as everyone should. No judgment here. But now you're kind of feeling like, okay, maybe I need to stop this because I'm starting to have a certain type of feeling about this person. And if this person did this to me, I really don't know. I don't know if I could take it. Like, that's what I'm getting. I'm getting that I don't know if I can fucking take it energy here. But you're definitely prideful, so you don't want to say that shit. Messenger of Earth, Knight of Earth. Like, you're moving towards that new start with this person, this faded union here, slow as fuck, Gemini. You're like, okay, because you're really anxious and worried about it. You know what I'm saying? You're very nervous that you know. It's almost in a sense of like, okay, you have a clarity about this this connection that you have with this person. You've definitely been getting those downloads, but you're very nervous about the outcome of it, and you're overthinking. No, stop overthinking, Gemini. Stop fucking overthinking, okay? All right, Messenger of Air, which is the Knight of Swords here. You're definitely rushing in with this person to tell them exactly how you feel. You are intensely focused on them. It's definitely a sense of wanting to I'm also getting like a borderline obsessive energy from you guys. You know, getting a sense of possibly really like, I'm hearing I'm obsessed with your body type energy here. 10 of Air here. I'm feeling like in the past, you have been, how can I say that? You have been very much disappointed, even possibly by this person. This person, you could have had a separation in the past, but now that's all ended and you're going to have a new beginning because this is your soulmate here with this 2 of Cups here. All right. All right, let's go ahead and jump in and get real nosy around this bitch. Okay. All right, and the messenger, the Knight of Earth is Taurus energy as well as Aries. The Knight of Air is Aquarius's energy as well as Capricorns. Yeah, because I didn't say that. And that's crazy because it's like on Capricorn, on Capricorn. All right, so yeah, see, you want to reconcile with this person because you feel like this person is your new beginning here with this Nine of Cups energy. You feel like this person is your, it's like, it's very, like this person is everything that you ever wanted. I don't like to just keep on saying like wish fulfillment, but you feel like this person is everything that you ever wanted, and right now you're trying to figure out what you can do to make that shit happen here with this Two of Wands, because you do want, it's like the Three of Cups here, you want a reconciliation with this person. You want to come together with this person. Yeah, see at the bottom here, stop playing with me. Four of Wands and the fucking Fool card, baby. Like Aries, Aquarius energy. Like this is all about wanting a stable commitment here. Some of you guys may be just interested in moving in with this person, like taking a relationship to the next step. But you're definitely wanting something deep with this person, something more solid with this person moving forward, because this person brings something out of you that you haven't experienced ever for some of you, and for some of you in a very long while. All right, here, and I knew this fucking card was gonna come out. Yeah, that's your fucking challenge, over fucking thinking. Nine of fucking Swords, over fucking thinking this shit over and over. King of Swords, this is your energy as well as Taurus's energy. You know, you're overthinking this whole situation, but you do have a sense of clarity about it. You do know that, you know, it's like you do know that this person is for you. You know how you feel about this person. What is this? Is this the Moon card? Yeah, this is the Moon card. You want to be open and honest with this person with the Moon card, Pisces, Cancer energy, and telling them how you feel and really open up to them, but you're struggling with it. You don't know how it's going to be received. Some of you may be even in the energy of possibly being quite a little bit manipulative. Kind of try not to be. But you do have a clarity about how you feel about this person, but you're feeling like the wounded warrior here, or you're possibly feel like you maybe put this person through some things, or vice versa, and they're the wounded warrior, but you're wanting this Ten of Pentacles, this legacy with them. You're wanting to get money with this person, to grow to a family with this person. You want a very high level commitment with this person and be able to move forward. Yeah, and I'm definitely getting that sense of wanting peace here. Yeah, Eight of Cups. This is all about having a high level of understanding of what's, you know, of like, how can I say that, Spirit? It's like you understand the deeper purpose, but oh, you get so tongue-tied when talking to this person. It's like you want to say so much, but you're not saying shit. Okay, so you understand now that it's a deeper meaning behind you even meeting this person. It's like this shit is like real now, and like again, you're wanting to come back and have something deeper with this person and move forward. Yeah, like you guys have had you know, put in a lot of time with this person here, and this person could have possibly been waiting for you, or vice versa here, but I'm definitely getting a sense of you manifesting them. Or vice versa. For some of you, I'm getting a sense that they are definitely I'm getting a sense that they've been manifesting you, especially if you guys are in separation from your person here. What's this? The Knight of Cups in the reverse here. Yeah, for those of you that are in separation from your person, it's like they could be expecting an apology from you, or you them. It's like they're wanting this person's view of love and your view of love, it does not sync. And that's maybe one of the reasons why you're kind of moving a little bit slow here. 6 of Wands here with the Page of Cups in the reverse here. Yeah, you're not talking about how much you want to be with them, or how much you want or need this shit to work out or win here. Yeah, but you do. Look, but you do. All right, let's go ahead. Spirit, do not be playing. Come through. Okay. We have obsession, must have indulgence. Now I know y'all heard me say, oh, okay. Y'all heard me say that shit. Okay, twin flames, the one mirrored souls pledge. You're probably definitely dealing with the twin flame here. Family, blood ties, inner circle. Even coming back to this situation here, healing familial trauma, or possibly having children together here. All right, we have Verge, about to reveal, about to confess. Spirit is on one on this evening. Okay, Spirit has been on one all evening, y'all. All evening. Being real, like, yeah, I said what the fuck I said energy. And look, and that toil and labor card, play with yourself, not with me. This toil and labor card keep fucking coming out. And 3 and 8, that's 11. That's twin flame energy there. It is very hard for you to act like, and to not act like you obsessed with this person. You got so much feelings for this person. It is hard for you to fucking hold that shit back. It's hard for you not to be completely open and honest about what you want to do. You could have possibly, like I said, you could have known this person since you guys were younger. You guys could have been younger, and you known this person since you guys were kids. Also getting the sense of, again, with this children, it's something in regards to kids here that is kind of holding you back. Whether, you know, just talk about it with your person. You guys can figure that shit out, because it looks like that mindset, whatever with the familiar shit, is keeping you imprisoned here. It's keeping you in prison. That could be your person's energy, but I'm getting strong senses that it's yours. So it could be keeping you in prison here. And if it is, I'm definitely getting that sense that you need to break those fucking bonds here. Yeah, it's time to journey. It's time to move forward with the journey card there. It's time for y'all to, like, to shift that shit. All right. Yeah, it's like a mental prison. Like, you're constantly thinking about even like relationships and how they go. You sometimes think like, okay, well, shit, if this is how my parents' relationship it was, or if this is how like the people that are in my immediate circle dealt with relationships, then how can I expect for it to be any better with me? Type of energy. All right. We have Mirror here, and this says mirroring each other, self-image reflection, self-image relationships reflect our wounds, introspection. You're trying so hard to not fucking show that you're obsessed, that you're like you're not getting the lessons that you need to get, or getting the downloads that you need to get in regards to how this relationship should work. It says sudden change, shocking news, surprise, epiphany, upheaval, transformation. In the reverse, this shit is not new. Whatever the shit is about this kid or whatever, this shit is not new. Do not let this shit hold you back, because clearly your person knows this shit already. So why are you acting like this is some new shit? I know you like, how am I acting like it? But shit, you know, you heard what I said. You heard what I said. I'm getting your energy, and it's like, you, like, if you don't want to have kids or whatever the case may be, you need to just have that conversation to figure out if your person is on the same page as you. Really, Spirit? All right, so we have the Runner here. In a codependent relationship, fear of intimacy, listening to ego. Also that pride shit there. Girl with the snake here. Empath and narcissist paradigm. Being charmed or used, enable boundaries. What did I say? Do not be manipulative. Do not. Be fucking honest and open about how you fucking feel so your ass can have this amazing fucking love here. What? Healthy choices. Making healthy choices in love and in life. Self-love, self-care, being happier. Yes, do that. Do that part, okay? Let's get some signs that you guys are possibly dealing with during this time frame. Alright, we have Gemini. Some of you guys are dealing with another Gemini. Alright, we have Uranus. Some of you guys are dealing with an Aquarius. We definitely saw that energy here. Alright, and we have Pisces here. And then we have Venus, Libra, Taurus energy there at the bottom. And remember, that is Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Mercury signs. So it can be in either of those places here. Thank you so much for your time. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I appreciate all the love and support. I send it back to you guys tenfold. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.